My name is Sam, and I work as a security guard. I wake up at 5 a.m. and start my day with a cup of tea or coffee. Then I wash my face, shave, and get dressed. I leave home at 6 to catch the train to work. I have a car, but the train is faster. During the journey, I write to friends and read the news on my phone. I start work at 7 and finish at 3. I go to basketball training twice a week. On Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, I go to the gym. After my workout, I have a shower. Luckily, I never forget to pack a towel. When I get home, I have dinner and then wash the dishes and clean the house. I prepare my bag for the next day and then go to bed at about 10:30 p.m. At the weekend, I sometimes stay up later.